They spent 123 days joined at the hip and literally at the wrist. Turns out nonstop attention was a deal breaker. Duh. So the couple needs to break out and they will end their relationship. Lindsay, I feel like I could have told them this from day one. Like, who the heck wants to be chained to another person for 123 days?
When I tell you that is my worst nightmare, you
Worst
can't
nightmare.
even get me commit to going on a date. So I don't know about all that madness. I'm not a therapist though, but
It's like I can't even spend 2 hours with one person.
no,
So.
no, very rare.
All right, well, what's trending this morning?
Brittany, we have Shaq stepping up to the plate big time, building his legacy off the court. The four-time MVP has been known to help people with random acts of kindness, and he's at it again. From engagement rings to laptops, he loves just hanging out in stores and surprising people in need. Now, recently, he found a mom who couldn't afford school laptops for her kids. He covered the bill, $1,500, without even thinking twice, saying he's all for mama helping her babies go to school. His motto lately has been, "It could be worse, and that could be you." So he's doing everything he can to change that.
Amazing guy.
I know, I love that. Also trending this morning, we've got Christina Clemens. She earned 2 new titles this weekend. She's a first-time Olympian and a new fashion icon. While qualifying for the Tokyo Olympics on Sunday, the 31-year-old track star had on Doritos earrings while she raced the 100 meter. They're teeny tiny bags of Cool Ranch Doritos, and she says she wore them because she's shaped like a Dorito herself. I didn't really understand that. After the race, Christina tweeted, "I made the Olympic team wearing a bag of Doritos on my ears. Twitter, do your thing. We need to blow up Doritos mentions," and she did that.
I hope she's sponsored by them or at least gets a free bag or
maybe
100.
that's what she's going for.
I mean, she's got to be.
I want to know if she really eats Doritos. If you're an Olympian track star,
And
I guess
are there
they can
chips in there? Little baby chips.
Little snacks along the run.